Hello and welcome to Dell Enterprise Support. In this video, you will learn to configure SupportAssist as a support channel to transfer telemetry files securely and receive remote assistance from the Dell support for your Dell Data Domain system. First, you have to acquire an access key and a PIN. Visit dell.com/support and make sure you are signed in. We will cover the Data Domain Virtual Edition first, and after that go through the process for DD physical appliances. On dell.com/support, search for DDVE. On the product page quick links section, select Generate Access Key. Verify and confirm the correct device is selected and click Next. In the Search by Site drop-down, select Location ID, Location Name or Location Details as search option. Location ID is the default selection. Continue by entering the Location ID or Site ID and click Search. Click the relevant Location ID from the search results. On the next page, enter a 4-digit PIN and click Create My Access Key. Make sure to save the PIN as it is needed alongside the access key to complete the configuration. Acquire an access key and PIN for Data Domain appliances. Make sure you have the system serial number available. You can find this in the DD System Manager UI under Maintenance, then System. On dell.com/support, search for the required Data Domain model number or appliance. On the product page quick links section, select Generate Access Key. Verify and confirm the correct appliance is selected and click Next. In the Search by Site drop-down, select Serial Number, Location ID, Location Name or Location Details as search option. Serial Number is the default selection. Continue by entering the serial number and click Search. Select the relevant appliance from the search results. On the next page, enter a 4-digit PIN and click Create My Access Key. Make sure to save the PIN as it is needed alongside the access key to complete the configuration. The access key and PIN are sent to the registered email address. This may take up to 30 minutes. Once you obtained the access key and PIN, you can register and configure SupportAssist using the DD System Manager. On the main page, select Maintenance, then Support and Configuration. In the Support Channel pane, click Configure SupportAssist. In the License Agreement pane, review the license agreement, select the Accept checkbox and click Next. In the Connection Type pane, you can select one of the connection types. Connect directly. This connection connects the Data Domain system directly to the Dell server. In this case, the system automatically uses port 443 as the default port. Ensure there are no firewall or network restrictions from the Data Domain Management interface to the direct endpoint esrs3-core.emc.com. Connect using Gateway Server. This connects the Data Domain system to Dell support using a Secure Connect Gateway Server or the SCG Gateway Server. The server must use the HTTPS protocol. Additional configuration is needed for this connection type. In the Gateway field, enter the server IP address or fully qualified domain name and port number. Use port number 9443. You can add up to 5 gateway servers. After the connection is selected, select the Remote Support checkbox in case you require Dell support to assist you with troubleshooting remotely. Click Next, then enter the access key and PIN you acquired earlier and received via email. If needed, you can click Generate Access Key and PIN in case this was not done earlier. Once done, click Test Connectivity to check if the connection is successful using the access key and PIN. Click Next to continue. Now add contact details for support cases created by SupportAssist and click Next. Enable Share Data with CloudIQ and Cybersecurity. Review the cybersecurity agreement and click Accept. Click Next and review the configuration details on the summary page. Then click Finish. The configuration is completed and details are displayed in the Support Channel pane. For additional information, please refer to the knowledge base article 242147. Thank you for watching.